Everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a pepper shaker work better. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a pepper shaker. And before you talk about the fact that I'm filming this literally on my clothes dryer, right now I wanted to make this video, and the laundry room is the only place that I can work at the moment for these few videos that I'm filming right now. And then I got a couple more to do around the house and outside, but for now, in this moment, I can only do this in the laundry room. So guess what? Yes, I'm filming this on top of the dryer, and I will clean it up when I'm done. So anyways, there are essentially two things that you can do to make a pepper shaker work better, okay? And a lot of people, you struggle with the pepper shaker. The salt shaker seems to work fine, but the pepper shaker always seems to give everybody trouble, and I'll tell you why. The first reason is that it is usually clogged. So you can see right here, this pepper shaker has a letter P at the top, and out of all of the little dots, right, you can see this one's clogged, that one's clogged, that one's clogged, and these ones are even somewhat clogged, right? So the first thing that you can do to make your pepper shaker work better is open it up. So I'm just gonna sort of twist it back and forth to loosen it up, and then I'm gonna remove the cap. There's still quite a bit of pepper in there, and open it up and clean the lid. So you can, honestly, you can easily just use your finger just to get off all of the extra pepper. You can see, look, so look at this now. All that extra pepper is now off of the lid, and you can see that, I'm just gonna put this to the side over here. You can see that now all of them are basically unclogged for the most part, right? So, you can just use your finger to unclog it, right? And that's gonna make it work a lot better, number one. Or you can wash it fully, in the sink and stuff like that, totally fine. Whatever works for you, okay? I'm gonna put that lid back on and make sure that it is securely closed, just like that. And the next thing that you can do to make a pepper shaker work better is people generally they'll go like this. They'll shake it, right? And that makes sense because it's a pepper shaker. But once again, that gets clogged really, really easily because you're basically making the pepper bounce onto the openings, right? And what you can do is instead hold it upside down. Okay, you can see nothing's really coming out now. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap it like this, like that. And what that's doing is pepper is coming out, as you can see right there. Look, I'll do it over here. Pepper is coming out, but you're not bouncing the pepper against the holes, and therefore it is less likely to get clogged up while you're using it, and then cumulatively as you use it many times. And that's honestly it. It's like a simple trick that I've sort of found out over the years. That's it. That's how to make a pepper shaker work better. A step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.